Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the Bitcoin chart, a 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, the price is in a range market. Okay, it is range. The price is going up and coming down, going up and falling, up and down, up and maybe down again. You know what we're gonna do in this type of markets is we're gonna sell on the resistance here on the top, we're gonna buy on the low. Okay, but in what kind of condition we're gonna buy and sell? If we see some nice candles, okay, and if we go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see there are lots of candles here. Like this was a top and this kind of red candle. You could risk here into your sell position, put your stop loss above the candle, and it of course gives us our reward too. Or you can see it here, the price touches it and makes an engulfing bar like this green candle here. We can risk on that into your buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it goes up, and of course it gives us our reward too. And we should wait for the price to come to this level or to that level, okay, to this actually support or to that resistance, and enter buy and sell positions. Also, you know, we can imagine we can also have a trend line here too, like this one. With the break of this, and you can see also shadows from upside showing the weakness of the market to go to the upside. And if we see a break out of this trend line and the body of this candle can close below this trend line, we can risk and enter sell position. But in bigger time frames like 1 hour, let's check if we have something or not. The price started going up and it is range right now. It may pump again and go to the upside, or it may actually fall from there. And the 3 scenarios I told you may happen. The first scenario was continuing going up, or the second one breaking this level and touching this support here and making a pullback to that. Then after that it starts going up. The third one to continues breaking to the upside. The third scenario was on the weekly time frame. The candle cannot close like this, and it is actually 3 days and 16 hours left. The candle doesn't close like this, and instead it can be like a shadow to the downside. And also this support will be as a resistance again, and a pin bar on the resistance is a signal to enter sell position. These scenarios are actually the 3 scenarios can happen on Bitcoin. Okay, let's move to the next part, which I'm gonna show you the yesterday's positions on 5-minute time frame, and also that is the education part. You can learn there and enter buy and sell positions in the live market. So let's go to that part. Guys, if you didn't like the video, please do it, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can leave me a comment, ask me any questions, or tell me your ideas about Bitcoin and its future in the upcoming days. On the first position, as you can see, we did have a trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken somewhere here. Okay, we did have the chance to enter a sell position on this candle and put our stop loss above this candle, or put it in a safer place like here. The something you should know is if you put your stop loss here, your reward must be bigger, that you can earn your actually reward too, or you're gonna actually exit the market on risk to reward 1, not 2. But I do put it in a place which is not actually too much risky and too much safe, something in the middle like here, that I can take my reward to. And it gives us something around risk to reward 2 or risk to reward 3 or RR3 somewhere here. And when you see these candles, the shadows from downside, it's an alert to exit your sell position. On the second position, we did have this position trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken somewhere here. We did have the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward on that candle there. On the third position we did have this trend line. Actually it's reloading of the market is because you didn't like and subscribe. On the third position we did have this trend line, okay, broken to the upside. I did enter here, put my stop loss in a safe place, waiting for the market to give me the reward 2, but it instead touched my stop loss here, as you can see. Then it continued pumping to the upside, which is a really painful actually position. You know, sometimes happens. On the trade 4 we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken somewhere here. We did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.8 on this body of this candle here. And when you see a long shadow like this from downside, you know, you can close your position. It's actually really scary to keep your sell position when you see a long shadow like this from downside. It means buyers came in and supported the price. You know, shadows are, you know, lots of shadows are actually really important. I will teach you in the future, you know, I will have some videos. I will teach you in the future that what is shadows and why they happen. Okay, on the trade 5 and the last one, I believe we did have this trend line broken here. We could risk here enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.2 somewhere here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave me a comment. If you subscribed, you can say I subscribed, or if you have any questions you can ask me. Just don't let that be empty there, full it actually. And if you don't like the video, please dislike too, you know. I just, you know, don't like that people watch something and, you know, they don't give their opinion about that, you know, video. Okay, if you think this kind of content is bad, or I'm just, you know, teaching bad, you can dislike the video. You know, on the opposite side, you can like the video if you like my videos, and tell me your ideas about my channel and my videos, or whatever you like in the comments. Thank you and bye bye.